Hi, this is Janet ng Pinoy Cooking Recipes. Let's make banana drop cookies. These are light, fluffy cookie and great for using your overripe bananas. Let's begin. In a small bowl, combine flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon powder. In a separate bowl, beat the butter until creamy. Add sugar and beat until light and fluffy. Add eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Beat in the vanilla, then add mashed bananas. Then, gradually add the dry mixture into the wet ingredients. Beat on low speed until just combined. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Now drop about 1 tablespoon sized balls of dough 2 inches apart on cookie sheets. Next, top with nuts or chocolate chips or any toppings of choice. Now bake in a preheated oven 375F 190C for about 10 to 12 minutes or until top is browned. Cool for about 2 minutes in the pan, then transfer to cooling rack to cool completely. For the toppings, you can add white or chocolate chips, walnuts or any nuts of choice, chocolate chips and walnuts combined. It's up to you. Try this recipe and let me know what you think. Enjoy! More recipes at PinoyCookingRecipes.com. Don't forget to share. Thanks for watching!